So in case you're wondering to buy a new microphone, and if you are going to find help from the internet, there are more than likely there are going to be two options. The first one is going to be the Boya M1 if your budget is low, and the other one is going to be the Blue Yeti. There isn't going to be any third option, but I have the one. So I'm going to unbox a Chinese local microphone called a condenser microphone SF666, and actually it sounds better than, not better than, actually it sounds as good as the Boya microphone, and nearly good as the Blue Yeti. So considering that the price is even 10 times less than the Blue Yeti, you're going to be amazed of its sound quality. So let's go ahead and unpack this thing. So actually I bought this microphone from China in Pakistan, and I'm going to elaborate that thing in another video, but for now let's get this out of this package. Actually it comes in this card type of packing, and even that bubble wrap was stuck in there. I just had to pop those bubbles, just left them. Alright, so there isn't anything in the package else. Alright, so we are going to head on to the microphone. Here's the microphone, and it also comes with the mini stand. Actually it's I'm going to unbox it, and I'm gonna show you the quality of this microphone and the stand as well. So it's a little tripod stand, and the quality of the stand is actually pretty good. It's made up of plastic, but yes, it's a hard plastic thing, and yes, it is a pretty compact type of stand. So the size of the stand isn't that big, but its quality stands its way. Like it's a good quality stand. So we are going to keep it aside, and the next thing we have in the package is the audio splitter. Actually this is for those devices which do not have a dedicated 3.5mm microphone jack in them, for example your mobile phones and your laptops. These are the devices which do not have a dedicated microphone jack, and this splitter is gonna help to use this microphone in those two. So the next thing in the package is this microphone itself, and it comes with the long cord. Actually it's kind of like I think so it's 2 meters long, and it's a pretty long cord, more than enough. Actually you do not need that much of a long cord while you're in your studio recording inside a room, and the condenser microphones aren't made to record videos outside, so you're not going to need that long cord. So let me fit the microphone inside that stand, and let's see how it looks like. Alright, so actually this microphone looks good, and the audio quality, you have already been listening to the audio from this microphone, and you could have an idea that how good this microphone sounds, and like how clear this microphone sounds, and how far it can cancel the background noises. Actually I live in a noisy area, will be well able to like get an idea how good it can cancel the background noises. So actually that's been it from the sound quality. Let's show some specifications of the microphone. Actually let's see. So here are the specifications for the microphone. I'm not going to read all of them. Actually I'm bored. Yes, I'm not going to read them all. It basically covers all of the things that a basic condenser microphone should have. Actually it comes with a portable stand too, so you can use it for video calling and desktop as a desktop microphone. So it basically covers all of the things that a microphone has meant to have. So actually if you consider the budget, that it's a $10 microphone only, it's a pretty good option. And yes, I'm making sure again that I bought this from China, and I actually bought this product on cash on delivery, and I'm going to make another separate video on how to get Chinese product in Pakistan, and using cash on delivery payment method. So make sure to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for that video too. And here's the I was just trying to check out the build quality. The build quality of the microphone is kind of just okay, because it's a plastic build, and note that the quality of the cord is better, but the quality of the microphone itself actually isn't that satisfactory. But it's not gonna break as well. Like it's just okay. I mean, I don't know what do I have to say about the quality, because you do not expect that much of the quality in under $10. But you can check the audio quality. That's what your main purpose should be. And if you're spending this less on a microphone, so if you want a fancier stylish microphone which has a metal build, you can go for the Blue Yeti. That basically definitely sounds a bit better than this microphone, and even costs 10 times more than this microphone. So that's been it from this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you like the microphone, you can just type a comment down there, and make sure to subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Peace out.